If you're a high-ticket B2B service provider, your network is like oxygen. In fact, 6 out of 10 service providers survive solely on referrals. That's why you're part of alumni associations, professional associations, consultancy networks, or growth-focused groups. Places where trust is built and referrals flow naturally. Remember when LinkedIn was like that? In the early days, LinkedIn was a trusted network. Your second-degree connections were familiar, easy to trust. But now, LinkedIn is crowded with strangers. Everybody's shouting and nobody's listening. The hard truth is, the more your LinkedIn network grows, the less valuable it becomes. Why? Because salespeople and recruiters flood your network with random connections. It's like adding people to a party where no one knows each other anymore. Don't believe me? Check your second-degree connections. In 19 out of 20 cases, you won't find a single genuine mutual connection. They aren't truly second degree at all. Even within your association or peer group, getting real referrals is challenging. Which of your prospects do your peer group members genuinely know? You're left guessing, and that's a huge problem. This is where Inguro comes in. We bring genuine networking back. Here is how it works. First, register with your LinkedIn account and we will sync your LinkedIn network. Second, create a partner group for your association, network, or community and invite your members to join. Third, validate your genuine connections, those with whom you will recognize each other's names. Fourth, search for prospects and see which partners have validated their genuine connections. Fifth, validate genuine connections through chat. If a partner connection isn't verified, simply ask them to validate its authenticity. Knowing who your trusted partners genuinely know is halfway to a referral. Stop drowning in random connections. Together with your peers, rebuild your trusted network. Try Inguro for free today.